Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, make sure the battery is above 50%, and use the original cable for stable connection. Once done, enable OEM unlock if accessible, or have the bootloader key/pin ready. This avoids bricks. Connect to a PC with Android SDK tools installed, and, if possible, use a DB reboot recovery or hold Power Plus volume to enter recovery/fastboot. You do this to access low-level repair options. This step prepares the phone so the next, deeper fixes can run without interruption or power loss. Now you flash the stock firmware to restore the system image. First, verify you have the exact ROM for your model and region and confirm checksum integrity. Mismatched files cause worse problems. Use fastboot commands or Odin for Samsung and flash boot, system, vendor partitions in the prescribed order. Make sure to perform a factory reset/wipe cache when flashing. This prevents conflicts from old data. You follow these precise steps to replace corrupted software and return the phone to a clean, working state. Finish by rebooting and completing initial setup, test calls, Wi-Fi, sensors, and camera to confirm repair. If the device still boots into a loop or crashes, reflash a known good custom recovery, then perform a clean flash of the stock ROM again. Sometimes a second, clean pass clears hidden corruption. If problems continue, capture diagnostic logs with a DB logcat and save them to a file for analysis. This troubleshooting tip helps you or a technician pinpoint failing drivers or apps so you can resolve the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.